Ramunda Lark Young, connection strategist.
Ramunda Lark Young worked as a community relations professional for a decade,
where she cultivated her skill of establishing authentic business connections by building partnerships with schools, officials, corporations, and others.
While at a Fortune 500 company, Young garnered sales of
$250,000 annually and received honors recognizing her efforts. A proud graduate of Langston University,
she is the CEO of Ramunda Young Incorporated,
where she passionately helps women craft their valued voice to build business relationships that increase sales and self-confidence. Young was named one of the top 5 influential women of Prince William County, recognized as Top 40 Under 40 by Virginia Leadership Institute, Courageous Woman Leader Award from the National Coalition of 100 Black Women, Prince William County Chapter, and a Langston University Women in Leadership honoree. She proudly serves on several boards, including Leadership Prince William, Manassas City School Education Foundation, and is vice chair of the Prince William Chamber Education Committee. Young is an appointee of the Prince William County Human Rights Commission and was recently named Commissioner of the Year by the Virginia Association of Human Rights. Young and her husband Derek co-founded the award-winning MahoganyBooks.com and featured on Essence.com,
Blavity,
and Tulsa People. They are proud parents of their daughter, Mahogany.
Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Well, stand up and shake the haters off. Once I found out I can do this. Once I found out I can do this. I'm gonna soar, everybody put your hands up. I'm gonna soar if you know you're going to the top. I'm gonna soar, everybody put your hands up. I'm gonna soar if you know you're not gonna stop. I'm gonna soar.
And now, without further ado, we ask that everyone stand to your feet and give a warm, strong round of applause for Ramunda Lark Young.
Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Well, stand up and shake the haters off. Once I found out I can do this. Once I found out I can do this. I'm gonna soar, everybody put your hands up. I'm gonna soar if you know you're going to the top. I'm gonna soar, everybody put your hands up. I'm gonna soar if you know you're not gonna stop. I'm gonna soar. Keep your hands up and raise them real high. If you know you're gonna soar through the sky. When trouble comes, you don't even bat an eye. 'Cause you're better than that, here's your reply. Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Are you a boss? 'Cause I'm a boss. Well, stand up and shake the haters off. Once I found out I can do this. Once I found out I can do this. I'm gonna soar, everybody put your hands up. I'm gonna soar if you know you're going to the top. I'm gonna soar, everybody put your hands up. I'm gonna soar if you know you're not gonna stop. I'm gonna soar. Keep your hands up and raise them real high. If you know you're gonna soar through the sky. When trouble comes, you don't even bat an eye. 'Cause you're better than that, here's your reply.